Hi, I'm Sophia.
Hi, I'm Isabelle.
And today we're going to be making a gingerbread house.
It's inspired by the LiP SMACKER's 12 Days of Christmas Advent Calendar.
Now let's get to the gingerbread LiP SMACKER challenge. We're going to try to make the gingerbread house to look as close as possible to the calendar.
The 12 Days of Christmas Advent Calendar is really cool because each day you get a new LiP SMACKER's lip balm. We're gonna open the first day. Fruit punch themed lip balm.
It's a mistletoe lip shine and it's very glittery. It smells really good too.
Okay, now for the third one, which is right here. Yeah, it is another lip shine. Is it glittery?
Yes.
They all smell really good. Okay.
Oatmeal cookie.
I feel like this advent calendar is a really cool way to count down from Christmas. Another lip shine, I think. It says Be Joyful on it, and it is like a raspberry color.
This one just has a lot of hearts on it, and it's a rose color. It smells like cherries.
This one is a caramel lip balm. It smells really good.
It does smell like caramel. This one has, I think it's hot cocoa on it. It smells like strawberries.
And another lip shine, and it just says love on it.
This one is a Christmas tree on it.
Okay, 11th day, almost to Christmas. And we have a cream puff. It smells like vanilla.
It does smell like vanilla. And now it's Christmas today, so we're gonna open the last one. The last one is strawberry.
It smells like delicious strawberries, so now we're gonna be making our gingerbread house, and we're trying to make it look as close as possible to the 12 Days of Christmas Advent Calendar as we can. So we have this here for inspiration. Okay, I know how to do icing kind of because of my mom. Okay, I think that's enough. And then,
okay, so we're gonna ice the other side now.
I think this side needs more. Let's turn it and do the other side. And we are going to try to spread the white icing all over the top to make the roof. As you see on the calendar, they have different colored little sprinkles on top. As soon as you spread out your icing on top of your house, then you just want to kind of add the toppings right after so that they actually stick and don't completely just fall off. Our roof is covered in different colored sprinkles, just like on the advent calendar. There's some peppermints on the very peak of the roof, so I will add those now. If you've ever used maybe like even hot glue guns, sometimes once you put the glue on, it dries within seconds, so you have to go very fast. There. So, we have the peppermint part of the roof done and all the sprinkles and fun stuff. I think we can manage making a rectangle on the front for the door. It looks like there is
gumdrops.
Yeah, snow piles with like gumdrops and little candies, and then the two candy canes on the front of the house. So we have gumdrops and candy canes here,
So just make a little
just kind of a little like
snow pile here. Like we should add up the sides so it looks sick.
If you're trying this challenge, it'd probably be a good idea to put gumdrops first if you're trying to hold up something. So we have a marshmallow stick, and we're gonna try to make the little chimney on top. So then you wanna take your marshmallow chimney and just kind of stick it on your house. There's hearts around the door. Let's add some pink icing to the door.
In the middle.
So we're gonna add the pink lining on top of the house. After a while, we are finally done, but we had fun doing it, so it didn't really feel like that long. I think we did pretty amazing. Tell us what you guys think in the comments down below. And we can't wait to see all of your LiP SMACKER gingerbread houses. And don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.